Hi everybody, just a quick video introduction for week 4. Wanted to tell you what we're going to cover, what we're going to do. There'll be a couple little things that we haven't done before, but nothing tricky or anything like that. We'll cover orders and we'll cover proposed orders. We'll look at some real preliminary objections in the LaShawn McCoy case that I think you'll get a kick out of. Also, we'll look at some motions. We'll look at something called a motion in limine, and we'll do a very brief put our toe into the water with respect to the area of discovery. Once all the pleadings have been filed and are what we call closed, people will be trying to complete discovery as well. Discovery is the process of getting information from the other side and providing information to the other side. And it is really very labor intensive often, particularly for paralegals. If you're involved in litigation as a paralegal, you're going to deal with a lot of discovery. It's really an important part of litigation. The importance is that it helps people from being surprised, it helps people from being ambushed, and it also leads to settlements when people claim they have proof of something and you ask them to provide it and they do. Sometimes you get it and you go, okay, they have proof of that. So then you start thinking about your own case a little differently. So it's a really important part. We also get into a civil action. We'll deal with the first 3 chapters. And I think you'll find them interesting, some interesting questions in there. Additionally, next Wednesday, we'll have a quiz. And we haven't had any quizzes yet. And I often find that I can go a whole semester and I don't get energy back from students until I use words like quiz or test. I am a great believer in what we call low stakes testing. That is, I do not believe in high stakes testing. High stakes testing, for instance, is the law school model of 1 test per course at the end of the semester. So you go 15, 16 weeks, you have no idea what the instructor thinks is really important, and then you have your test. It's not, I don't think that's a great way to do it. So I do low stakes testing, and I'll give you a quiz. I think it's 21 questions, all multiple choice, all from the preceding 3 modules, the preceding 3 weeks. No essays. I think it's easy, but then again, I always say it's easy. I think it's easy. It's really not very difficult, everybody. It's anticlimactic. Give you an idea. It's worth, I think, 21 points. Many of your assignments this week alone are worth more than 21 points. So don't get nervous about it. The idea of testing, in my mind, is to get you to reacquaint yourself with the stuff we've covered. All of the literature suggests that your brain really reinforces the information when you revisit it and you sort of prepare for something. So that's why I do it. And please, no nervousness, relax. It's going to be easy. Nextly, I'm going to make week 4 available immediately. And normally it wouldn't become available until Sunday. I'm going to make it available immediately because here's what's going on. I'm going to be away on Sunday and most of Monday. So if you find something that's not clear or a question, I should be around up until tomorrow morning and I can help you with that. If there's any problem, relax. I'll give you an extra couple days if you need it and you can't understand something to do it. So I wanted to give you that information. Wanted to welcome you to the new week, and otherwise have a good time. Talk to you soon, everybody. Thanks for everything. Bye. I'd like to turn this off now, but I can't get... Okay, here we go.